I gotta hand it to Samira. This will be the best dish I eat all day. I guarantee it.
Good luck, Samira.
Thank you.
I'm super proud of my dish, and I think it showcases butter. So I'm feeling confident now, but we just have to wait and see. Hello.
Samira.
Hello, Samira.
I've never had chicken in a jug before. That's a new experience.
Samira, what have you made?
Today, I have brought you a little taste of home. So Fatet Jaj and a Middle Eastern vermicelli rice.
So talk to us about butter. Where does that go in this dish?
So there is butter in almost every element. So I have made fresh bread, which I've then fried in ghee.
Of course you have.
Yeah. I sauteed my chicken in some ghee as well and made a nice sauce out of that. And I burnt butter ghee. I fried my nuts in it. And the vermicelli is cooked in the ghee, same with the rice.
And why did you choose this dish to showcase butter?
I wanted to show you guys something from when I was a child. When Dad used to pick us up from primary school, we jump in the car saying, "What has Mum made for dinner?" And the moment he would say Fatet Jaj, my heart would be jumping for joy.
Oh, nice.
Let's
Please
go.
I did not expect that to go on the bread.
Everything gets layered up.
Oh, wow, look at that.
So, sahten or hanek, may you eat with gladness and good health.
Let's plate this because I
Yeah,
can't
and
wait to
quick,
eat
yeah.
it.
Yeah. Like, can we shut up and eat?
Oh,
I gotta hand it to Samira. This will be the best dish I eat all day. I guarantee it. Maybe the best dish I eat all week. Maybe the best dish I eat all month. This is pure class. And there's no better dish to bring out on a day like today because it is all about the butter.
Let's start with her use of ghee. She's not only incorporated that into various elements and fried it off, she's taken it to the edge so that it gets that extra depth of flavour, that nuttiness. And then when you fry elements in that, like her rice and her vermicelli, there's something about the way the butter is mixed through that makes every grain and noodle an individual delight, even though you're scooping in whole mouthfuls.
This is real shovel into your gold food. It is so Moorish. Do you know what fascinates me is that thing is swimming in butter, but because of that garlic in that acidic yogurt, that just cuts through everything and you just keep going back for more. I think my favourite dish from Samira so far.
Yep, me too.
what we have is stunning. Not just the dish himself, but the transferring something to us. Oh, he's 10 out of 10 just for that. She's poached the chicken first, shredded into the ghee, so that piece of chicken is succulent. Those little square of fried pita, it is just a delight. This is one of the dishes I will memorize for a very long time.